Hey y'all, it's Katie and welcome back to KateMas. I wasn't really planning to try to fit this video in. I actually just finished filming my Black Friday, Cyber Monday shopping haul, so that's why I kind of look very much the same. I tried to do something a little bit different, put on some lashes, changed my lipstick, and added some glitter, by the way, if you are curious. I added some glitter, just a touch of the Pixi by Petrus Liquid Fairy Lights and Sun Rays. It's pretty. I just wanted a touch of it though. Ooh, it's so pretty. And then my lashes are ColourLit enough. I love ColourLit lashes. Anyway, I'm getting so distracted right now. I had some time to film another video. My kids are still sleeping, and yesterday I got my Tribe Beauty box, and this is the one in collaboration with Angelica Nyqvist. I think that's how you say her name. It's not how you say her name, but that's how I try and say her name. She's here on YouTube. I will have her channel linked down below. I've always been curious to try Tribe Beauty box, but it was just one of those things where, I don't know, I'd either miss the boat or I just wouldn't think about it. I'd forget about it. But when Angelica came out with her collab, I was like, okay, Katie, now's the time. You're going to sign up. I really wanted to support Angelica, and she put a lot of really cool products in this box, so I signed up, and this is my very first Tribe Beauty box. If you are curious, I paid $36.48 for this box, and I want to say, I feel like she had a coupon code. Yes, Angelica does have a coupon code. I'll put it on the screen, and if I remember when I fill out the description box, I'll try to type it down below because it's Angelica, I think is how you pronounce it, but I always misspell it when I try. But anyway, she did have a little discount that you could apply to this, and so the price for a typical box is $34.99. Her code, I forget how much it is, 10%, duh, took off $3.49, and then there was $40.99 for shipping. So the total price was $36.49 for this box. To my knowledge, I'm very new to it, but it comes every other month, and I think, I'm not sure, I feel like they always collaborate with a YouTuber, but I could be totally mistaken with that. I do know they try to always feature and put indie brands in here and also women-owned brands. They really focus on that, so I thought that was really cool. And she, like I said, I watched the video, so that's the only drawback is that like I know everything that's coming in the box. But with that aside, she picked a lot of really cool products, so I cannot wait to show you guys what she got. Definitely let me know, would you guys want me to continue my Tribe Beauty box? I am subscribed, but every other month I think I'll get an email saying, hey, do you want in on this? And I can, you know, either decide to get it or not. So let me know if Tribe Beauty box might be something you want to see me unbox here in the future. I'll have to see. I'll have to think about it. It's definitely more expensive than BoxyCharm, but it's every other month, and I forget what the value is. We'll add it up at the end if I remember. But let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Tribe Beauty box, if you want to follow them. They have a little pamphlet with the information and Angelica's gorgeous, gorgeous picture. And yes, they do have the value of everything on the card. So first up, top of the box, the biggest reason that I was excited to get this box, not gonna lie, is that they included a Clionadh. I think it's just pronounced Clionadh. I'm not really sure, there's a D in there. Clionadh Cosmetics 5-piece stained glass brush set. This retails for $34.50, and honestly, this was the biggest selling point for me for this box. I wanted to support her anyway, but when I saw that this was being included, I was like, okay, I almost placed an order with her, and I was going to pick up her brushes because, like, look how cool the ferrules are. I just think they're so pretty. Can I do it on the right side so you guys can see? Like, look at that. So very cool. They include, let's see, do these have names? I don't think so. They're just a 5-piece brush set. This is like a powder brush, which honestly, I don't know if I'll get much use out of. They have a little smudger brush, which I will definitely use. A blending brush, I'm always using. A flat brush, which I love these for applying eyeshadow, so I'll definitely get some good use out of that. And then it looks like just a liner brush, which I'll probably just use for my lower lash line. I don't really tend to use those for brows or liner, but this I was super excited to get just because I feel like I have a good set of like staple brushes, but I still enjoy getting pretty brushes. So I was super excited. This is my one and only thing that I own from Clionadh Cosmetics, but now I can say I own something. Okay, next up, she also included some Sistine Herbal Collagen and Retinol Cherub Eye Masks, 2 of them. These retails for $15.50. I'm assuming that's for both of these. Doesn't say each or anything, but I'm going to assume that's $15.50 for each of them, or for both of them together, sorry. That's my assumption, but yeah, little eye masks. I'm not someone who tends to use eye masks, so I'll probably just include these in a giveaway because I feel like I have so many eye masks just sitting around waiting for me to use, and I literally just never remember. I always remember after my face is like halfway done, and I'm like, oh yeah, I could have put on an eye mask while I was doing my eyes, but totally forgot. So I don't know if I'll get much use out of them, but that was included. Ooh, this was another one that really sold me on it. This is a Makeup Geek highlighter. I've always been curious to try her highlighters. This is a duochrome highlighter, which will, I feel like, be something unique to my collection. It's in the shade Psychedelic. But here's what it looks like, just the Makeup Geek packaging. She's rebranding in 2020, and I'm so excited to see what her rebranding will be like. Ooh, that's very white. I don't know if I'll be able to get away with this. She did, I feel like when I was watching Angelica's video, she said that these are buildable, so maybe I can get away with it. Oh yeah, not too bad. So let me see what it looks like, you know, built up and whatnot. Ooh, that's got like a goldy shift to it or something. I feel like I'll be able to wear that. Yeah, I see a pink, almost like a greeny gold in there. I don't even know. I'm terrible at describing colors, but it's very pretty. Very pretty. If I didn't already have highlighter on, I would try this out. But that's gorgeous, and I feel like even though it's so very light, I can go on, or like white for my skin, I feel like I can go on very lightly with that and still be able to use that. I don't know. I'm just excited to have a Makeup Geek highlighter. This retails for, did I say, $14.99. Oh, here it is. They have the description right in front of me. Psychedelic has a peach base. That's what I'm seeing, the peach, with a pink duochrome reflect and luminous finish. They also included a blaze that had a copper base with golden duochrome reflex and luminous finish, which I feel like copper probably would have been too dark for me, so I'm excited to get this one and give it a try. Next up in the box is from Gerard Cosmetics. It's Longwear HydraMatte Liquid Lipstick. This is the first product I'll have ever tried from Gerard Cosmetics. They were super big when I was first getting into YouTube, but I never gave them a try, and it is in the shade Mudslide. I remember seeing her swatch this, and I was so excited because it's definitely a shade that I will wear. Look at this. Ooh, it's so pretty. Let me see if I have a clean spot on my hand. Let's see. Ugh, sorry, that's not because of the product. That's me swatching on a really weird, knuckly part of my of my arm there. That's what it looks like. Ooh, it's more of a liquidy type of formula. It's looking like it's a little sheer, but I think if you apply it in one smooth layer, I don't think it'll be patchy. No, I think it's just the fact that I was trying to swatch on like this on a bony part of my hand. But it definitely has a very lightweight, liquid, very thin formula, which tends to be my preference when it comes to liquid lipstick. And if I remember correctly, this is the liquid lipstick that does dry down matte and is like non-transferring, which is what I like. This retails for $19 or $20. It has $19/$20, so I don't know which it is. Whatever. I got the one that will suit me and that I like. I love brown lipsticks. Next up, I feel like there's a lot of things in this box. I got something from Wander Beauty. It's a Lipsetter dual lipstick and liner. I don't remember this in her video. Do I just have a really bad memory? It's not on the card. Did I get this by mistake? It's not on my card anywhere. Wander Beauty isn't on my card, but ooh, this is gorgeous. It's called, the shade is called On the Mauve, and I love mauve colors. I don't know if this is a bonus, but there's what that looks like, and then there's a liner. That's really pretty. I'm gonna have to go look at some unboxings and rewatch her video. Maybe this was accidentally included in my box because I don't remember her talking about Wander Beauty, and it's not on my card, so I don't know. I don't know the price of this. Maybe they throw in random free, like little freebies or something, but this is a full size. That's an expensive freebie. I don't know. This is my first time with Try Beauty Box, so I'm a little lost and thrown for a loop there, but that's really awesome. I'm totally down, and it's a beautiful color. I'm excited. Okay, then we also got something from this brand. The brand is Beaute. No idea how to pronounce this brand, but it is a Vixen potion. It retails for $17.99. It's an intense pigment for an edgy chrome effect, multi-chrome pigment. Oh, it's a multi-chrome pigment. I remember her talking about this. I thought it was a flaky. Maybe there were two different things, or maybe these are flakes. Ooh, it's made a mess everywhere a little bit. I am terrified to open this. Let me try. Maybe there's a sifter? Nope. Okay, this is the flaky. Okay, I'll show you the lid. Whoa. That is pretty, but this, did you just see that? I just said butt, and like all of my, breath from saying butt hit the flakes and they flew everywhere. But I see the purple and I see the copper shifting tones. I probably have it all over my face and in my hair now and on my lap. Okay. I feel like I am not old enough to use this. I'm gonna have to rewatch her video. I think she did a get ready with me, so I'll have to watch how she uses this. Definitely needs some kind of binder. I have flakies floating all over my room right now. Oh my goodness, but I'm excited to use it because that purple and copper shift, that is so beautiful, but I can't breathe when I got it open, and definitely can't open that with the kids around. I'm sure you guys don't see anything, and just, oh, one of the flakies fell on my face. I feel like I don't know how to get them out of the air. I feel like when you walk through a spider web and everyone just like stares at you as you're like frantically dancing, that's how I feel right now, because there's so many little flakies floating around this room and like landing on me, and I'm pretty sure I inhaled some, but you guys probably see nothing and are just like, Katie, are you okay over there? Okay, last up. I think this is the last in the box. Yes. This is from GlamLite Cosmetics, and it is their Miracle Palette. If I remember right, yeah, it's done for breast cancer awareness. The Miracle Palette is a tribute to all of the brave women in the world who have been affected by breast cancer. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Retails for $28, sorry. $28. Definitely pinky tones, which just makes me think of Angelica. She always... I mean, she does any color really well, but I can totally see her love for pinks and whatnot. Not a color that I'm super into, pinks and whatnot, so I haven't decided yet if I'm going to dive into this. So I'm not going to touch them. I'm sorry. That might be a bit of a letdown, but I'll have Angelica's video where she, you know, talked about her collaboration with Tribe Beauty Box. I'll have that link down below so you can see all of this in action on her, and I think she swatches it and whatnot, but I think I'm probably going to end up not keeping this, so I don't want to touch it. I just feel like that would be a waste. But anyway, $28, really good value. I love that there's a palette in here, even if it's a palette that's not my colors and whatnot. It's still a beautiful palette, and I have tried the Burger palette from GlamLite, so I do have one palette of experience, so I feel like I don't need to try that palette to, you know, get a feel for the brand. I've tried the Burger palette, not my tone, so I'll probably not be keeping that. Okay, so that was everything in my box. I just tallied up the total, and it was $119.98 was the value of all the products included in my box. And again, I paid $36.49 for it. And let me go ahead and look up what that Wander Beauty, what was it called? Lipsetter. If I have what looks like dirt smudges on my face, it's not dirt, it's those little flakies that have settled onto my face. I see one on my nose I can't get off. Anyway, it looks like this retails for $28. So if you add that to the value, my box personally, the value is $147.98. So I don't know why I got this. If you are someone who's been subscribed to Tribe Beauty Box for a while, if you got this in your box, let me know down below just so I know what's going on. But that's a cool bonus. Like I said, I love that color. I will totally be using that. A very kind of like everyday lip color for me for sure. So yeah, that is everything that came in my box, and once again, I feel like I kind of glazed over it, but congratulations, Angelica. I am so very excited for you. I feel like I think it was the beginning of the year, she did the brush collection with Sigma, and I bought that, and I was so excited for her, so I'm so excited to see her now partnering and collaborating with Tribe Beauty Box, and yeah, I'm just really excited for Angelica. She is a wonderful, talented, and beautiful beauty YouTuber, so if you're not subscribed to her, I definitely highly recommend her channel. I'm trying to look for where I put my baby wipes so I don't get this all over my white shirt. But anyway, yeah, if you're not subscribed, I'll have it leave it linked down below. I'll have Tribe Beauty Box's website linked down below if you want to subscribe. I'm subscribed right now. I'll probably have some type of affiliate code, or like link, but it'll just be what any customer gets. This isn't like NPR or anything. I purchased it. But yeah, I'll have that all linked down below if you're curious. And definitely let me know if this is something, unboxing Tribe Beauty Box, you would like to see in the future. Like I said, it's every other month, so not as frequent as BoxyCharm. I can't decide. I feel like I don't need to subscribe to another box because I have enough makeup, but at the same time I really like that you get different types of brands in Tribe Beauty Box and in like BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is pretty good at also featuring indie, but I feel like Tribe Beauty Box focuses on like indie makeup and smaller companies, and I really like that, and it, you know, it'll let me try more brands than I would if I was just, you know, going to each brand and trying to try them out. So anyway, I'm out of breath. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this unboxing, and yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you are subscribed to Tribe Beauty Box. If you are getting Angelica's box, I would love to hear that as well. And I think that's going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you very soon in tomorrow's video.